type of rehab. That's what you're talking about, assisting with, for going through that, right? Should be essentially laid up, it sounds like, right? Have you had a chance to look at the pre-sentence investigation that I'm pulling out of my pocket? Is there anything in here that the judge needs to be made aware of that's incorrect and needs to be changed? Does everything appear to be correct to you?
Yes.
Okay, including the narrative. Do you take responsibility for your actions in this mess? Okay. You have no record, it looks like, right? Am I correct on that?
Yes, sir.
No juvenile, no. We have several cases here, but you stayed out of trouble, but then now you all at one time, you got a bunch of stuff, right?
I actually said I've been waiting patiently all my time that I'm supposed to.
How long have you been in jail? Does that give you an impression of, gee, this is the way I want to spend my life, or in and out of here?
No. And I really don't want to get like prison time, because I feel like the years I would have to do prison time, I can already get my life together doing this probation successfully. I know I can do 100% all the way to this. I know I can.
Looks like a bunch of this is you involved with a bunch of other people, right? When you read the PSI, that's what you read, right? Okay, well, what is, have you continued your relationship in jail with these folks? Do they come see you or write you? You kind of see where I'm going with this, that looks like a lot of what's going on here. When you read the PSI, you see all this, right? Do you have any feelings about the victim in this case?
Yes, and if he was here, I was going to ask you that I haven't fully been able to forgive myself until I wanted to ask him for his forgiveness. And I wanted to turn around and tell him that he forgives me for this.
You wanted to forgive him? You see how it affected him? You remember that? How did it?
And then I felt good too, because he said, how would it feel to him if I was on probation, and he wanted to leave that to y'all as a thing. He wasn't like no or yes.
So he wasn't asking that you be sent away. Is that what you're saying? That's what you're saying. The gentleman to your left over here has the right to ask you questions from the GA's office.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Colorado, you said that you hope that the victim is able to forgive you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you remember during the PSI process when someone came and talked to you about the case in which we're talking about where he's the victim? Okay. In that report I have here, it states that essentially y'all got dropped off at the wrong place, and the victim came up to you guys and kept bugging y'all. I pulled the knife out because he was threatening us that he was going to call someone to pull up on us. So I took his phone and we took off. He was with someone else and called the cops on us. I was arrested that same day.